Yes, what's good people? Tech Jamo. As you can tell, we're doing a vlog style video unboxing today because we're unboxing a mobile video blogging kit from Joby. Big shout out to them for hooking me up with the vlogging kit to have a little look at. Let's pop it open and see what's really good. Alright, let me have a little sit down because man is tired out here. Let me set this up. Alright, can we see this? Am I in frame? What is this? Alright, vlogging. Wait, can you guys hear the fan? This is so piff. Guys, you see this fan? Deep ting. I'm gonna put this in the description section below because this hot. We need some more light. We need some more light over here. Okay. Alright. Unboxing. So first of all, the box looks quite decent. Just shows you what comes inside the box and thing. Let's pop it open. Okay, so man's got a little utility kit going on in here. Alright, let's go. So, got instructions for the beam light, but bad man to read that. Got instructions for the microphone, but bad man to read that either. Right, let's see what we got. Okay, so this looks like the microphone itself. It's got a little dead cat on it. Looks nice. If I can I pull this off with one hand? Okay, so that's the design of the microphone. It looks quite similar to like the Rode Video Micro. Yeah, it looks quite similar shotgun style to that, which means it doesn't need batteries. Just has a 3.5mm headphone jack in the port there, and yeah, looks cool. Got the little fluffy dead cat in there as well for that microphone. Then we got the tripod, or GorillaPod, I think it's called. It's actually quite lightweight, but it feels very sturdy, and obviously you can sit it down like a normal tripod, or you can bend it in whichever direction or way you want to bend it, and it kind of clicks into place. So yeah, no, that's quite versatile for using as your normal vlogging tripod. Got some young tasty silica gel, done though. And we've got a Joby BMO light. Now, I've heard a lot about these, fam. Apparently they're waterproof and everything. They're very bright. And they got a little magnetic clamp on the back as well, fam. These are supposed to be the thing. Wait, let me just see if the magnet works. Is that magnetic? Yes, it is. Hey, there we go. That works. This looks like it's got a little diffuser on the front, little plastic diffuser. So you can just see the light as it is there. How do I turn it on? Where's the on button? Oh, here. Is it? Hey, there we go. Okay, so, oh, that is quite bright. We'll have a little look at that later. Right, what is this? Ah, this is the mobile phone clamp for the tripod. So that takes a normal quarter screw. Looks like it's got a little spring-loaded clamp. Oh, no. It's a twist-loaded clamp thing, I think. Nice. And it's got a little hot shoe, cold shoe mount there at the top. Where it looks like you can rotate it as well if you need to. And next, I think we've got the two arms for the Joby tripod, so we can add the BMO light on there and the microphone. TRS to TRS cable, which can be used from a microphone to a standard camera, like a normal DSLR camera. Wobbly shock mount for the microphone as well to protect it from any bumps and noises whilst you're moving the microphone. USB-A to USB-C cable, which I believe is for charging the little light thing, the little BMO light. Little carrying case, which doesn't look like it can fit everything over here, so I'm wondering what this is supposed to carry exactly, but it's got a nice little drawstring on it, so that's cool. TRRS to TRS connector here, so this will be from the microphone to a smartphone. Oh, it's even labeled smartphone here as well. So yeah, that's cool. You can plug that directly into a smartphone if it's got a 3.5mm jack, or you can use a 3.5mm to USB-C or lightning connector to get that kind of operation on your phone. And you've got a lightning to 3.5mm adapter, but no 3.5mm to USB-C adapter. That kind of sucks. Bit biased towards Apple there. This looks like a cold shoe adapter kind of thing. Then here, this looks like another quarter screw to cold shoe adapter here as well, so that's all cool. And then it looks like we got, oh, this is one of them GoPro mounts, isn't it? Yeah, one of them action camera mounts, so that's nice too. We got something going on here almost. Right, so this is what we got so far. Not bad. It doesn't feel too heavy. I haven't put the phone in there obviously yet. Do you know what, let me grab this right now. Right, so slight mad thing. This part of the video has been filmed like 2-3 weeks after that first part of the video, just because man has been moving yard and everything, as you can see, is yet to be fixed and put into its place. Anyway, we're here with the Poco F3 on top of the GorillaPod, and on top of that, we've got the little Jamo from JOBY and also the little microphone thing that's just sitting on top there in its little cold shoe mount, minding its own business. Now, in a second, I'm going to go into a little bit of a more low light part of the building. And as you can see, obviously, the Poco F3 is trying to do its best to keep my face exposed correctly, but because of the low light situation, there's bare noise, as you can see, around this part of the camera. Now, let's put the light on, the little Jamo light, and let's see what it's saying for brightness. Lord. Okay, so as you can see, the Jamo light is doing its job. It's nice and bright. You can see, man, clearly. Let me go into the bathroom to show you guys what's really good with the kind of setup that I've got going on here, fam. Hopefully you guys can see that in the mirror, fam. So this is the setup. Man's got it on like a little, yeah, I'm not even using the two arms, fam. Man's just using it like this. So that's kind of cool. And I think what I'll do now, actually, let me just plug in the microphone. I've had to use my own USB-C to 3.5mm cable because JOBY doesn't provide one in the box. And obviously, if you guys are on iOS, then you're cool because you get a lightning cable provided in the box anyway. But anyway, let's just plug this in. Wait about 5 seconds. There we go. Right. And yes, there we go. I've just got confirmation that the microphone has been plugged into the phone via USB, and hopefully this should sound a little bit better than the standard built-in microphone on the phone. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Obviously, there's no soundproofing in here at all. No, let me go into a carpeted room. This might sound a little bit better because there's a couple more carpet. There's a bit of carpet in here, so this might sound a little bit better. But yeah, let me know how you think this sounds compared to the built-in microphone that's in the Poco F3. And also, yeah, the light, like obviously, look, there's a dark room there. I can just go in there now because I've got this light, and it just doesn't matter. So you can film at nighttime, you can film whenever you need to. However, if I turn the light off, there we go. You know, it's my phone, as I said, is trying the best that it can, but it's bare noisy, fam. You don't really want this when you're doing your vlogs. So, that's the quality. Let me put this into the computer and let's see what the quality is looking like. Alright, so you guys have seen the quality now. Let me know what you guys are thinking. I, for one, I'm feeling it. Like the combination of having a nice light so that your, exposure is a lot more balanced throughout your scenes, having a microphone, which is imperative, and a lot of people don't realize how deep it is to have good sound on your videos, because when you're vlogging, especially if you're vlogging with a smartphone, the built-in microphones on most smartphones are designed to be omnidirectional, so they get sound 360 from around the smartphone. However, if you're doing a vlog, you want the focus to be on you, fam. That's why having a shotgun microphone like the one included with this kit is brilliant, because it gets most of the sound from in front of the microphone. So it picks up your voice specifically and tries to drown out the rest of the surrounding noises. Now, yeah, no, this is a good kit. This is literally everything that you need, except the 3.5mm to USB-C adapter if you're on Android. This is everything you need to just get up and get vlogging from your smartphone. Now, you're probably wondering, but can't you buy all of this stuff cheaper and separately? And in honest terms, yes, you can. You can go and buy a video light separately for your phone. You can go and buy a microphone for your phone. You can go buy a tripod for your phone. But in buying all that stuff, you need to be the one now that makes sure that it's all compatible with each other. Like, does your tripod have a 3/4 screw kind of thing? Does your microphone have a cold shoe? Does the video light have a cold shoe kind of thing? Is it rechargeable? Does it need batteries? Does the microphone have a TRRS cable connected to be plugged into the phone. Like all of that stuff, you need to figure that out by yourself if you're gonna get things separately from Amazon. Now, Joby have put it all into one pack so that you don't have to figure out any of that. You just cop the thing and start filming, start vlogging, start living your best life, and don't worry about compatibility between the products, because you know that these products are designed to work together. So yeah, that's my 2 pence really. Like it works, it does jobs. Yeah, if you're on a budget at the moment and you want to do a little bit of vlogging on your phone, it is possible, and the best camera is the one that you always have with you, and that for me tends to be my phone.